Okay.
Gandang hapon, Jow.
Gandang hapon, Ana.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, natatandaan ko March tayo nagkwentuhan dun sa Viva office. March last year pumirma ka ng kontrata sa Viva, 'di ba?
Yeah.
And then comes this project. Nung tumawag sila sa iyo, tapos inexplain sa iyo na Jow, erotic yung comeback movie mo. Anong reaction mo? It's a call, 'di ba?
Yeah, well, actually, sabi ni Naijun, si Nanay Jun ang tumawag eh. Sabi ni Nanay Jun, yeah, don't think of it as an erotic film. Think of it as a comeback film, sabi ni Naijun. So, sabi ko, siyempre, I got excited, but it's a very delicate subject. So, Nay, pwede bang balikan kita dito sa 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 topic na to. And of course, I consulted first with my wife and pinag-usapan namin. And sinabi niya na well, she's supportive of this. And sabi niya we've decided na ako ang magde-decide para sa ano na to. And siya na galing din sa larang actually pag-aarte
Nag-teatro siya,
she's
'di ba?
been on stage. She also does TV. She also does indie films. And ayun. So if it weren't also for her, hindi ko magagawa ko tong pelikulang ito. Pero I'm so very lucky and I'm so very happy to have her as my wife, being understanding, not understanding but supportive, and ayun, yun.
Pero halimbawa lang, Jow, na umayaw si Mrs., hindi mo gagawin. Ganong klaseng asawa ka.
Oo naman. Yeah. I I respect also her decision. Siyempre, ano rin yan eh. Makakarating din sa kanya yan eh. Alam mo yun? So, this is, ano to eh, buong Pilipinas to eh. So, yeah, yun.
Pero honestly, nagulat ka na ganun yung offer? Were you expecting a full drama comeback, ganun?
I wasn't expecting anything. And to tell you the truth, it just came in a silver platter while I was in the lock. Actually, naka-lock in pa ako nun eh, bago mag-shoot for, tape for Puto. I was taping for Puto then. Binigay sa akin ng Viva kasi Puto, yung kay Makoy tsaka kay Herbert.
Yeah.
Isa ako sa mga kontrabida. So I did 3 episodes. In between this lockdown, yun, I got the call. So it was really not expected na, sana bigyan ako ng ganito. Sana ganyan na, no, walang ganun. Biglang tumawag na sa akin. So, I got caught off guard pa nga. So, that's why I had to call pa my wife to have it confirmed.
So, did you hit the gym right away?
No, the gym because of the pandemic. I did do jogging. Nag-jog ako almost every day. Even the day of the shooting. Nag-jog pa rin ako. Nagugulat yung crew eh. Nag-aayos pa sila, naghahanda sila para sa trabaho. Nakikita nila, itong jowa pa, sabi, Super Beach sa Tanay Rizal, nag-shoot kami. Ayun, nag-jog ako. Every morning before the shoot.
Pero nung press con, halatang excited ka eh. I can feel your alam mo yun?
Naman. Sino bang hindi maging excited sa ganito? And I mean, it's I never thought na actually bibigyan ako ng oportunidad na makabalik. So, yeah.
Pero Joe, di ka naman totally nawala eh, 'di ba? You did mga indie, mga shorts, tsaka mga nagteatro ka kamo. So parang nandun pa din.
And actually, I think it was really being back, fully back. I mean, alam mo yun, I admit I did stage. I did um, TV, pero mga bit roles, mga support. But this is a full length and ano pa ako, bida. So actually naninibago ako from doing a full length film long before pa. 2 decades na yata, more than 2 decades. Kaya it was kind of hard. Hindi naman hard, pero medyo nanibago ako. Yun yung word eh. Nanibago ako sa pag-shoot, nanibago ako sa professionality pas ni Direk Yam. Bigyan ka ng project na ganito na full support na ang lulupit pa ng casting, lupit pa ng director, lupit ng crew, lupit ng management ko. So, man, they're giving me something and I fully embrace it and try to do my best. Show my best. So, yeah.
Prior to this, may idea ka kung sino si Yam at si Ren? Or to do research?
Very frankly, I don't know. I have. It was I researched and it was it was when I only did the workshop na nakilala ko si Ren. So I had to research pa and si Mrs. pa yata ang si Mrs. pa nagsabi sa akin, si Ren, she was with a probinsyano. Okay. Pero hindi ko na yata naabutan yung part na yun na si Ren nandun sa probinsyano. I only watched it. And I don't usually watch it, but yun yung balita sa akin.
Okay. Can you describe to us further kung sino si Peter? Kasi nung press ko, hindi masyado na-discuss. Anong characteristic ni Peter? Anong trabaho niya? Sino siya?
Si Peter is soft-spoken. Marami siyang trabaho eh. May siya, parang collector sa mga renta. Kasi yung misis niya, si Giselle, na ginampanan ni Gwen Garcia, owns a lot of businesses. Okay? So, ako yung taga-singil ng renta. Bukod doon, meron siyang may bar, Giselle, yung pangalan ng bar, and doon kumakanta ako. So,
jack of all trades.
Yeah. Yun ang photographer pa. Nagpo-photographer siya on the side. Nag-take pictures siya sa mga events like schools, doing yearbooks probably, or events in schools. So, yeah, jack of all trades. Tama. And soft-spoken siya. Naman siya, dedicated naman siya sa relasyon niya with Giselle, yung partner niya. Hindi sila kasal. Ang deal, pag nabuntis siya, saka kami magpapakasal. Eto na, pumasok yung character ni Mia, si Ren. Yung kapatid ni Mia, si Melvin, Direk Melvin, Melvin Lee. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ni Direk Melvin dito eh. Kuya lang kasi, Kuya Juni, yun. Si Kuya Juni, nagre-renta siya sa isa sa mga pabahay. Rent-to-own siya eh. Pabahay ni Giselle. So, one time, nung dumating si Mia she doesn't live with her brother. So, she came to visit, I think, to stay there. Nung dumating siya, ayun, nagkita, Peter was sakto nandun, nagkita sila, pero walang spark, walang nagkagustuhan kaagad, walang ganun. Parang nagka-developan na in the bit. Kinikwento ko na yung pelikula eh. Parang ganyanan. Original lang.
Sabi ko lang sa'yo, describe mo si Peter.
ko na yung story.
Kunwari na lang, in real life, nangyari siya. Assuming natin...
Basically, that's it. That's the character of Peter. Ayun eh. That's it, in a nutshell. Yeah.
Halimbawa, in real life, assuming wala ka pang asawa. Pretend tayo, wala ka pang misis. Nangyari sa'yo yan, may karelasyon kang matagal na, tapos may pumasok na bago, sino pipiliin mo? Yung bago na ngayon mo lang nakikilala o itong subok mo na pero hindi na ganun ka-exciting?
At that time, that's zero, I think, isipin ko na lang na this was before. Okay? Setup na, yung setup na sinasabi ko, parang tamang-tama yan sa nung single pa ako. Diba? Wala pa akong pamilya, wala pa akong anak. I was more of a stick to one. Pero I would have on the sides one night stands.
Okay.
Na hindi alam ng partner ko at the time. But hindi naman ako yung two-time dalawa sabay o tatlo sabay, hindi. More on
sideline lang. So there was a time na nagloko ka din kahit paano. Hindi ka naman sane.
Oh yeah. Hindi naman that's the truth. I mean, if you're talking about me, you're in showbiz, maraming tukso dyan, so you can't help but, get engulfed by it. Pero there comes a time that you come to realize na, yung babae na para sa'yo, mahirap hanapin yung mga ganyan, mga ganyan klase, at iba rin yung pinagsamahan nyo at pinagdaanan nyo through the years. But with your question, I hope I answered it right.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Ito bang Paraluman ay kaya mong panuorin kasabay ng misis mo?
No, I don't think so.
May ilang pa din?
Hindi ko kaya siguro gawin yun. I can't let her. I can't. Hindi ko kaya, Ana.
Nasabay kayo.
That would be hard. Also in her part. I don't strongly suggest it, and I don't encourage it. I just respect whatever decision she'd make, whether to watch it or not. Pero basically, that's where she is right now.
Sa bahay, sino si Joe Mapa? How are you as a dad and as a husband?
Me?
Stricto ka bang daddy?
No, I'm more of I spoil my kids. I tend to spoil my kids. It's my wife, the disciplinarian. And siya yung nagsasabi na, disiplinahin mo naman yung mga anak natin. Isuspoil, di ba? So, yan. I'm the frontliner, the breadwinner. But I try to tend to all the needs of each family member here, my wife, my kids, and that's where I am right now. I cook, I do the grocery. Pero yung grocery ngayon, pinapapunta na lang dito, tinetext ko na lang kung ano kailangan na. Kasi dito sa Quezon City, mataas na yung mga cases. So, yeah, buti na lang meron ng delivery.
Ilan taon na kayong married ni Miss Cecil?
We were married, actually kakilala na kami 2000. 2002 we got married. And then so 2002 minus 2021.
May na ako sama. Kailangan ko na.
Ito, may calculator ako.
Kulay pink.
Ano talaga, hindi handa sa interview. Ano ba yan?
Malay ko pang kailangan ko ng calculator.
Technically, Ana, it says here 21. Pero ang alam ko, 20, siguro mga, tama. Ang ang sinabi ko, 2000 kami magkasama eh. So sinama ko na yung 2000, yung magkasama kami. We were married 2002, December 20. So that's 2 years na girlfriend, boyfriend. And then, ayan, 21 years.
Wow. Bongga, no?
And it's not a perfect marriage. I tell you, being married to a person in the industry, marami akong pagkukulang sa misis ko, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Ngayon lang talaga bumabawi. And nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na nag-pray ako parati na maging maayos naman yung aming relasyon. Sa awa naman ng Diyos, nakakaabot kami dito kahit may ganitong proyekto. Isang blessing din to, kaya sayang naman kung hindi ko gagawin. Naintindihan naman niya dahil trabaho rin. Kaya, ayun, ganun.
Okay. Kung ibibigay sa yung next project, kung halimbawa mag-click talaga to, ganyang genre pa din, okay pa rin ba sa'yo?
Siguro hindi na. Pang-comeback lang talaga. Okay na ako dyan. I was able to get back, and I guess that's the only way that I guess that's the best way to get back. And if ever may consequences lang talaga siya. But I guess I will accept muna this kind of project. So yeah, paulit-ulit lang ako, pang comeback lang talaga siya. Kaya ayun. Yeah, basically it.
Kung halimbawa na lang, painter ka din sa movie kasi jack of all trade ka naman doon. At ipipinta mo si Ren, anong maipipicture namin? Paano mo siya ilalarawan in a painting?
Si Ren, I'd like to paint her in a simple white dress. Probably pinapalibutan ng maraming mga flowers, in a field of flowers, just running by, with a big smile, of course, and the sun on top. Probably have butterflies around, trees. But yeah, yun ang nakikita ko. Very innocent and pretty.
Invite mo na ating.
Salamat, Ana. Ikaw ang kausap ko. Okay. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, ayan na po. Paraluman po. Ang mga artista ko pong kasama dito ay sina Miss Renes Canyo, Miss Gwen Garcia, Melvin Lee, Direk Melvin Lee, Raul Morit, and marami pang iba actually, to name a few. Directed siyempre by Direk Yam Laranas. You can only watch it on Viva Max. So please get Viva Max. Subscribe to Viva Max. It's only $49 for 7 days, and a month subscription will be 100 plus.
149.
49?
149.
For a month? 149. Okay, for a month, you have 149. pesos. September 24 na po. I'm so excited. Please support our film, Maraluman.
Thank you.